Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your headphones SONY XM6. So, right here at the right ear cup we have touch area. You need to press and hold at this touch area to call Google Assistant. Yeah, and I should put these headphones to my head. Now I press and hold, and as you can see, we set up Gemini, so I called Gemini, but if you set up only Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!